In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Kashflow. Whether you're expanding your business operations overseas or simply handling different markets, adjusting the currency settings on your accounting platform is crucial. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure you have everything you need to work with the right currency in the Kashflow system. First, we're going to navigate to Kashflow Connect. This is your go-to dashboard for managing various accounting tasks and settings. Once you're on the main page, cast your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of options to customize your accounting environment. From this list, you want to click on Settings. You'll recognize it as one of the main navigation points where you control the overarching preferences and specifications for your account. Next, after clicking on Settings, you will be prompted with a new set of options. Here, you'll need to locate the Global Settings tab. It's an essential section that allows you to adjust company-wide settings, such as currency. Once you're in this section, look out for the Currency tab. The Currency tab is where the magic happens, hands down the key component when you're working across multiple regions or dealing with international clients. After clicking on the Currency tab, you'll be greeted with a range of currency options. This is where you decide the primary currency that your Kashflow account will use. Take your time to browse through the list and select the currency that best suits your business needs. Whether you're switching from euros to dollars or from pounds to yen,